What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. So it's been a little bit since I've posted a video. I have videos backlogged I haven't worked on yet to like edit, but I thought I'd make this little update vlog type style video to let y'all know, like I said in all my past videos, that we are currently selling our house and looking for a new one and better location, stuff like that. But at the moment, we actually found a house, so we put an offer in and we actually got it. So that's why I haven't posted in a while. It's been taking a lot of our time to move. Closing date is soon, so I've been trying to pack everything up, clean everything up this house, and you know, just kind of get everything ready to be ready to move out, basically. So I haven't really had much time for things, but behind the scenes I have been working on my manga and a few other little art projects and stuff and videos. But like I said, this is just gonna be like a little vlog. I'm gonna show you a couple things that I picked up today. Basically with, like, I'm not really happy where my art is. The last time that I was happy with the way I was making art, or just like happy in general with art, was when I was in high school and like in art class. Because we had like these things that we had to do for AP art class when I was in for my final year of high school, where we had like a subject, and mine was like cars, and I did like a bunch of mixed media things. So I did 10 for that, and then 10 creative ones. And I just love that, doing stuff like that. I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos recently, and I've been learning that I've been trying to do too many things at once. And that can honestly cause an artist to not retain what they're learning in a way. I haven't really been learning is my problem. I need to learn new things, basically. For right now, I want to learn how to do anime art and manga art. I want to learn how to draw in that style, basically. Because I've really been just practicing realistic drawings for most of my life. And how do I say this? Like, I've been mainly using references for those realistic drawings, and I feel like I've wasted a lot of my time as an artist relying on references. So I'm really trying to learn this anime style so I can make characters and things, creatures, everything out of my head much easier. I'm trying to learn more anatomy and stuff, because in high school, I was never good at drawing portraits. That kind of came later in life, but I mainly drew like, I doodled a lot. I drew a lot of cars mostly, and I wish I had like all my old sketchbooks. I have some upstairs, but of course they're packed, so I can't really go through them right now. But I drew a lot of cars for most of my life. I drew a lot of nature stuff, so I'm good at like looking at a picture and using reference, and there's nothing wrong with that at all. I just want to be, it makes me feel like not as much of an artist, if that makes sense. But it is like, you have to have reference to learn, because like I've tried to draw without reference and it's not as good as reference, but the references throughout my life have definitely helped me learn how to draw. So like I said, that's what I'm trying to do right now. I'm trying to learn this like manga anime style to get me better at that, and then kind of like anatomy and here and there. I picked up some stuff from Barnes & Noble yesterday, so I'm going to show that in this video. But like I said, this is just like a little quick vlog for the third time, just to let y'all know where I've been, because it's been about a week and a half or so. I don't know when I'm going to post this, but it's been a while. And I just appreciate every single one of y'all. Us hitting 500 subscribers. That's amazing. I think we're on like 520 something now. We're getting close to that 1,000 mark, so I'm excited for that. If y'all could go down below, leave a like on this video and subscribe. We're trying to reach 1,000 at least. I don't know. I don't really want to put a goal on it, because I'm not sure when that'll happen, since I'm not going to be uploading consistently for a while. But we want to hit that 1K. That'd be awesome. So let's get into these things that I got from Barnes & Noble real quick. Okay, so it's mainly just these two things. Let's see. I picked up this One Piece manga, volume 1, so I can start reading this. And it also helped me study like manga and stuff. I have a horrible short-term like memory, basically. So reading has always been kind of hard for me. I've always had to read things at least 2 or 3 times to kind of comprehend it. And with age, I've gotten worse with that. I want to get better, but since I've seen One Piece, I'm almost on episode 200, by the way. I think I said that before, but I was wrong. So I'm almost on 200. I've watched the anime for this volume at least, and I've watched the live action on Netflix. So I feel like since I've actually watched these, reading it, I can retain it more because I've already kind of know what's going to happen. Plus it'll help me study like art styles and stuff like that and how everything should be laid out. So I'm excited for that. I got that. I got it for like 11 bucks at Barnes & Noble. I also got a rewards thing, so that's gonna be cool because I really want to start reading more. Baby's just talking in the background. Okay, so I also got this book. It's like gigantic manga art class book thing. So it teaches you, let me flip the camera real quick. It like teaches you how to draw in manga. I feel like I just needed something like physical to look at, because honestly just drawing wasn't helping. So I'm gonna need to like read all this stuff out, try to do the steps, and then just kind of relearn how to draw basically. And I don't know if a lot of y'all can relate to this artist wise, but I've been drawing my whole life. So I'm like 29 years old basically, and I've been drawing since I was like 5. I started drawing, I wouldn't say like professionally at all. I would say just drawing better at like around high school. At that time I was drawing cars really good, and then right after high school, when I graduated, is when I started picking up on portraits and I started drawing realistically. And if I can find any clips, I'll show them through here of my realistic drawings. I think I showed them in the last video, but I'm really good at that. Like I've been really good at pencil and paper, shading, all that stuff, just like from reference and everything, like I said. But I just feel like I've wasted a lot of time in my age. And I also feel like me learning manga art now at the age of 29, I feel like it's kind of like daunting on my mind, if that makes sense. Like, because I feel like I've been drawing so long that I should be good at stuff, at everything basically, and I'm not. And this is kind of like starting over, being like a beginner at artists in a way, and that's kind of like really hard to like comprehend and think about since I've been drawing for so long. And I can do like realistic stuff, but you gotta remember, all different styles, you gotta start somewhere. And like, just because you can draw realistically doesn't mean you can draw like cartoons or anything like that. Like it took me a while to learn how to do digital art after drawing realistically on paper. And I've been drawing digital for like 6 years now, I think. Maybe 5, 6. And I've just now started like improving like tremendously on digital art. And I'm still not completely where I want to be, honestly. Like it takes people longer than others, especially because, you know, I have a toddler. And I don't have a lot of time for things like that. I mean, I kind of do, but I don't know. Most of your free time, you just kind of want to relax and stuff. So it just takes longer than some other people. Like I see like younger people on Instagram that are like blowing up, or that have like really good art skills. And I'm like, I get demotivated, and like, you can't get demotivated. I feel like I said "and" like a million times in this. But you can't get demotivated. You can't like, you just gotta look at other people's art and be like, one day I will get there. And the only reason I'm not there is because I don't do that style, or I haven't practiced enough. So I need to learn how to practice, how to sketch bad things, how to not be a perfectionist, because I like to be a perfectionist, and just kind of learn from the start again, essentially. So that's enough rambling. Like I said, new videos will be coming. We're moving the beginning of April, kind of mid-April. So definitely be on the lookout towards the end of April, possibly, for videos. I mean, we got a lot of stuff to do with the new house. But yeah, so I got this. I'm pretty excited to look through this. I'm going to be reading that, working on my manga. I actually started storyboarding a little bit of the manga just to kind of get a feel for it and maybe start drawing a couple panels just to see like where I'm at. But I have a lot of the story kind of written down on my phone as of now, but I got ideas basically. And I'm gonna start reading One Piece. So pretty excited about that. All right, so if y'all like this video, like I said, please like, comment down below, and subscribe to see more. And I will see y'all again soon. And I appreciate every single one of you. Much love. Peace.